How to fix WhatsApp calls problem. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds. As you can see right here, it will start loading, and after that you have to scroll all the way down until you find the WhatsApp. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it here in the search bar. Click on it and then you have to click on this option. After that, click on this option which is called storage. Click on clear data. This is an optional step because you will lose all the data, but if you don't want to lose any data, you can just click on clear cache. This is more safe. Now go back, and last thing you want to do is you have to restart your phone or turn it off and on again, and the problem must be solved. You can also try to update your WhatsApp in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.